My name is Sariha. Today I can tell a story about Zootopia, a city of dreams, a modern animal city where predators and prey live together. Every animal has a dream. Judy is a little rabbit from Bunny Burrow. Her dream is to become the first rabbit police officer. Everyone says bunnies cannot be cops. Judy trains hard at the police academy. She finally graduates, the first rabbit cop in Zootopia. But at work, she is given only parking duty. The city of Zootopia. Zootopia is divided into amazing places. Rainforest area, Tandara town, Sahara Square. So many animals, so many stories. Nick is a clever fox, and a small time hustler. Judy and Nick meet during a case. At first, they don't trust each other. Animals in Utopia started disappearing. Judy wants to prove herself by solving the mystery. She teams up with Nick. Judy and Nick travel across Utopia. They, they face a dangerous, fun chases and surprises. Their friendship started to grow. They discovered that some animals are tu- turning violent. The, the cause a secret plan to divide predators and prey. Judy and Nick bravely reveal the truth. Judy proves that a small bunny can make a big difference. Nick also changes. He becomes a police officer too. Together, they show anyone can be anything. The moral of the story is believe in yourself, don't judge others by look. Friendship and teamwork can change the world. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.